In this video, we are going to do question number 2 of exercise 11.2, class 9th NCERT Mathematics. The question is, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 8 cm, angle B is equal to 45 degree, and AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 cm. So here we need to draw a triangle ABC, where base BC is given to us, that is equal to 8 centimeters. Base angle B is equal to 45 degrees. And we are also given the difference of the two sides, that is AB minus AC. So the difference of the two sides AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Draw BC equal to 8 centimeters. Now we'll construct base angle B equal to 45 degree with the help of compass. To construct 45 degree angle, we'll first need to construct 90 degree angle. As we know, half of 90 degree is equal to 45 degree. So this gives us 90 degree angle. Now we'll bisect this 90 degree angle to get 45 degree angle. Let this ray be BX. So angle CBX is equal to 45 degrees. Okay. Now we are given AB minus AC equal to 3.5 centimeters with center B and radius equal to 3.5 centimeters. We'll cut PX. So let this point of intersection be D. Join DC. Now to find vertex A on the ray BX, we'll draw a perpendicular bisector of DC, and the point where the perpendicular bisector cuts the ray BX will be the vertex A of the triangle ABC. So let us draw perpendicular bisector of CD. Let PQ be the perpendicular bisector which cuts ray BX at point A. So this is the third vertex of the triangle. Join AC to complete the required triangle. Let us see how we have obtained the required triangle ABC. Justification. Here BC is equal to 8 centimeters and angle B is equal to 45 degrees. This is given to us. And the point A lies on the perpendicular bisector PQ. Let this be a line segment CD and this be perpendicular bisector on the line segment CD. Let it be PQ. So any point on this perpendicular bisector PQ will be equidistant from C and D. Therefore, this side will be equal to this side. Similarly, A is a point on the perpendicular bisector PQ. So A will be equidistant from C and D. Therefore, this side will be equal to this side. Hence, we can write AD is equal to AC. Let this be first equation. Now, from the figure, we can see that BD is equal to AB minus AD, where AD is equal to AC. Therefore, BD is equal to AB minus AC, that is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Hence, triangle ABC is the required triangle.